questions that most of the people failed. So most of the people failed week 6 homework, that is question 8. Let us go through it and see the way forward. It says, a transportation strategist wanted to compare the traffic congestion levels across 4 regions. The accompanying data table contains congestion level defined as the percent increase in overall travel time when compared to the free flow situation. Into bracket an uncongested situation for 10 cities in each region. Complete A through D below. Click here to view the traffic congestion data. I think you can see the traffic congestion data, region 1, region 2, region 3, region 4. So what you do, let us go through this question of performing F statistic. Perform a one-way ANOVA. Find the test statistic. So I want you to show you how to find this test statistic. Then they say round to 2 decimal places as needed. The other one, determine the p-value. Then I will show you how to find the p-value. So I want us to go through this. So the first thing, they said perform a one-way ANOVA. Find the test statistic. So what you do, on your Excel you click on data. Then you go to data analysis. I think you can see the data analysis. If data analysis is not on your Excel, what you do, just to go to files, then options. After options, you can see add-ins. You click on add-ins. Then you can say at the bottom, manage Excel add-ins. Then you click go. After clicking on go, you ensure you have ticked all analysis tool pack. These are the data analysis. So after that, you click OK. So let us go through it. We click on data analysis. The one we are doing is a one-way ANOVA. So one-way ANOVA. So you go to ANOVA single factor. This is where you rely, because it's for one way. You click on that. After that, you click OK. Then it will bring you to this interface, input the range. So for you to input the range, you just click on this arrow. Click on that arrow, then drag. You just drag like this. So after dragging like this, you click on OK. Then alpha. You can see our alpha was 0.05. Sometimes it can be 0.1 or 0.025. So our alpha was 0.05. Then you insert on input range. Input range is where you want that ANOVA graph to be inserted. So what you do, you click on that. Then let us say you want this to be here, to be in cell U11, like that. Then you click OK. Why is my Excel not responding? Okay, good. You can see here is the ANOVA. So whereby we go to find F statistic, they said round to 2 decimal places as needed. So beyond this, you insert round. You click on round, then you click the cell. Then you insert a comma because it is to 2 decimal places. We insert it there too. Then you click enter. So you will find the answer is 5.95. So you come here, you insert 5.95 as you see there. To determine the p-value. P-value is always close and right to the f value. So our p-value is here. You can see 0.005. to 1 1. So they said round to 3 decimal places, so you click. We'll start with equal sign to show a command, then we insert round. After clicking on round, we say this cell. We say this cell, then comma. We want this to round to 3 decimal places, so 3, then we click enter. You will find that the answer is 0.002, as you can see in here. Round to 3 decimal places as needed, p-value 0.002. Next question we are going to tackle is the same question of transport strategy, but is the particular part. The part that says perform a modified Levene or Brown-Forsythe test for homogeneity of variance. Find the test statistic. So we want to see F statistic and p-value for this. So because it is dealing with the Levene we have most of the time we have to do it with the median. So it will come in the region F1, F2, F3. So insert median. You can see it is this one. You click on it. I don't know why it is doing this. So you click on this cell. After clicking on that cell, you click enter. So you can find the median of this one. No, sorry. This is this median. It is this one. Median, then from this cell, then you drag all of it from to that here. From A2 to A11, then we click enter. So you can see the median of region A, which is A2 to A11, is 47.5. So you don't need to repeat all this thing. What you do, you just drag like this. Then you click enter. This is the median for region 1, 2, 3, 4. So after all that, because you want to use a particular command with the differences, so I will say that you repeat all this 47.5, then here 39, 39.5, then here 33.5, then next is 36. So after doing all those, what you do, you just insert here, then you drag. You just drag like that. You can see 47.5. Next, I want us to drag 39.5. So drag 39.5. Like that. Next, drag 33. I think I'm together with everyone. Next, we drag 33.5. Next, we will drag 36. Next, we will drag 36.5. Good. After that, for region 1, 2, 3, and 4, so we will come and check region 1. You just copy, then you paste. Region 2, you just copy, then here you just paste. Then from there, just drag, because Excel will just from there just drag here region 2. It's supposed to be 3. From here, just drag like that. You can see region 3, 4. Then from that, we want to check the difference between 60 and 47. So what you do, just do ABS, then ABS bracket, then the number we are talking about is the difference between this cell minus this median, 47.6. Then you click enter. After that, you just drag for the all, because Excel will just repeat the same thing. As you can see like that 5.5. Let me check. B2 minus G2, then region 3 C2 minus ABS C2 minus this one, then the next one D2 minus D2 minus B12. Good. Then after that, what you do, we just drag from here, we just drag for that. Then the next one for that. The other one will do the same thing. Then the other one will do the same thing like that. Then after that, you just perform a one-way ANOVA. That is, you go to data analysis, then you ANOVA single factor, then we choose the cells. So our cells is this one, the difference between the medians. After clicking on that, click like that, 0.05 for alpha. Then input range we want, let us say we want it to be here. So after that, click OK. Then you wait for the Excel to do for you. So this is you will feel this is the single factor for this one. You can see F statistic round to 2 decimal places as needed. You come here, 2 decimal places side round. After clicking on round, you choose this F, comma 2. Then you can see it is 1.25. So the answer was supposed to be 1.25. You see this one round. Then p-value. So p-value, you can see it is this one, but they nailed it to 3 decimal places. So we click around. Sorry. You will command by negative, then round. So after that, we click the number is that, then to 3 decimal places. You can see it is 0.308, but this one was 0.3, inserted 0.306. But the computer normally marks positive. It can be either positive but less than 5, or negative less than 0.005. So that is it. Oh, okay, I'm forgetting something. For this, the p-value, Since the p-value is greater than alpha, you can say 0.308 is greater than 0.005. So you do not reject the hypothesis. There is insufficient evidence to conclude that there is a difference in the variation of congregation level across region. Then the other one, we just do the same. Since the p-value, you can see the p-value is less than, when the p-value is less than alpha, you reject, then there is sufficient evidence. That is how we go about it. Thank you for your cooperation. Let us meet in the next class.